Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters in Islam. Today I'm going to talk about Sawm and dear students. Before the starting of this class, I'm going to request you all just share this video and you will get some virtues and portion inshallah. And this is Enayetul Karim. I have completed my MA from Dhaka University Islamic Studies and MA in Arabic from IAU. Importance of Sawm as an ibadah. Today we'll talk about that. And it's one kind of pillar of Islam. So, as you have learned in your previous class, there are students in your class 8, you also learned about the basic things you have learned. But I gonna present not only the simple topic, it can be related to you, but what is that? The Arabic word "sawm" means abstain. So abstain from what? Actually, look at this. What abstain from what? So abstain from what? Food, drink, and sinful actions and impure desire from the break of dawn until sunset. Dear brothers, actually, this is called Sawm. It's the definition of Sawm. Actually, fasting is obligatory for all adult Muslim people. So, male and female, they have to do this. Dear brothers, actually, why could not perform Sawm? Dear brothers, actually, there is two things purification of soul, it, it will gather if anyone performs Sawm and spiritual elevation, spiritually, if he or she gonna improve his status or his level, then the people have to perform Sawm. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said about that, يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. It's a verse from Holy Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that, oh believers, actually perform Sawm. It's obligatory for you كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم. Previous nations, it was obligatory for those people لعلكم تتقون, so that they can acquire or they can achieve the portion of taqwa. It was narrated in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 182. The brothers and sisters, let's see from hadiths. One of hadiths, Prophet Sallallahu is also hadith Qudsi. You know that it's the high status hadith. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and in this hadith, Allah Azza wa Jalla. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam narrated this, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, كُلُّ عَمَلِ ابْنِ آدَمَ لَهُ إِلَّا الصِّيَامِ. Every son or daughter of Bani Adam, they are performing all amal, all activities because of themselves. But فَإِنَّهُ لِي وَأَنَا أَجْزِي بِهِ. إِلَّا الصِّيَامِ, it means without Sawm. But فَإِنَّهُ لِي وَأَنَا أَجْزِي بِهِ. But if anyone performs Sawm, it's they are not performing for themselves. It's they are performing for me, and I am Allah. It is for me, and I shall reward you. Allah said, confirm this. Allah will give reward because of this. Dear brothers, we're gonna get the reward of Sawm. We're gonna get reward of Sawm, inshallah, from Allah. On the behalf of Allah, it will be very much worthy. It was Bukhari and Hadith narration. And dear brothers, in this slide, we get another hadith. Actually, in this hadith, our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam narrated this, that joyful moment of people, human being, is two. One is for dunya and another is for akhirah. In dunya, if anyone seek for first breaking or before iftar time, is joyful moment for them in this dunya, and hereafter they'll get the meeting time of Allah. They able to see Allah in face to face, and that time in akhirah that will be enjoyable time. In this hadith that was narrated there, let's find hafar hatan. If anyone performs Sawm, he or she will get two times for joy. And the fitrihim, first you will get joy moment in dunya. What is that? In the time of iftar, فرحة عند لقاء ربه عند لقاء فيه. It means in the meeting of Allah you get. And عند الله من ريح المسك. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala actually will evaluate Sa'im in a different way. Their oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, all things what we are thinking about that will be very much important to Allah. Let's compare this in very smell. It's a very beautiful smell, a perfume. Allah subhanahu confirm them their carbon dioxide and oxygen. Look at this, very much important. Dear brothers, that's the things actually Bukhari and Hadith they narrated. The one is during the time of breakfast, what I had said without time, and the other is during the direct communication with Allah. Inshallah, we'll get those things in dunya and after. Inshallah. First of all, we are actually enjoying the iftar time, and in akhirah will get, we actually deserve that. We are praying to Allah, Allah will give that things, inshallah. Dear brothers, this is another hadith. Actually, it clarifies that actually in another hadith, let me give a background for this hadith that Allah's Prophet ﷺ said this. الشيطان يجري مجرى الدم. Actually, is running. Shaitan is running, and his way is in the blood road passing through. In this hadith, it was said this one. I will explain this one. Body like blood. In blood, they are actually running. Their way is in the blood. Okay, so brothers, let's say why we are actually saying this hadith. We human beings, we have that characteristic as we are animal human beings, the kind of that. So animalistic tendencies are in our inside, and if it gets time to do that or that opportunity that came, the animalistic tendencies will be created. To destroy animalistic tendencies, we need to do so. It was prescribed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. What they have said, إن الشيطان لا يجري من ابن آدم مجرى الدم فضيقوا مجاريه بالجن. Indeed, the explanation, just see the brothers, that is very beautiful information. Indeed, shaitan circulate in the human being's body like blood. Okay, blood is actually passing through, and this way it will go. And so narrow his passages through hunger. Dear brothers and sisters, we need to actually practice Sawm. If we do this, and then we will get so many rituals, and Shaitan will not be able to run over our blood or eating our blood. Thank you, dear students. Today we are completing the whole class here. The importance of sound was discussed in front of you. We'll talk about that in detail in our next videos. Thank you. Till then, stay with me. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.